In our company, we found out that planning team trips can be very challenging. Organization just eats so much time, and then you have to find a suitable venue, you keep inquiring different details, and then there are the dates. You absolutely need to synchronize it all. Last year, it took us days to get it all done. Anyway, this year we're doing it better, faster with NextRetreat. NextRetreat is a wonderful tool that helps with research, planning, and organizing team trips like all hands off-site or a company retreat. It's simple. You enter the departure point of your team, and if your team is distributed like ours, you can enter as many different departure points as you need. You can browse through curated properties, create lists of your favorite hotels and villas to share with your team and get the feedback. NextRetreat then automatically recommends the best destinations, so you get to choose from places where all your team members can travel easily. NextRetreat Sync Calendar helps you choose the right dates so that all your team members can fly out on the same day. And if you need any advice or have special kind of request, you can always contact their retreat specialist, like a real person. Simple and fast. It saves us time and we stay on budget. So, where are we going next?